This is Oppo A1 and today I would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So to start, check if you are connected to Wi-Fi. If you are, launch the Google Play Store. Then at the search bar, type in the Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can initiate its installation either directly from the search results by tapping at the install button over here, or you can also open its app info or app details page and tap at the install button over there. Doesn't matter which route you choose, since they will practically lead to the same result. Anyway, once the Opera app was successfully installed, you can go ahead and launch it. While opening Opera for the first time on your phone, it is required that you perform a very simple initial setup. So tap at the continue button, then either enable notifications or not, or skip the step simply. The following step is to either set Opera as your default browsing app, or you can also skip this step. And at this final page, you can customize the data collection preferences, or simply allow everything that it asks for, and start using the Opera app. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.